Hey everyone, I hope everyone had a great weekend and I hope everyone finds the materials all right today. If you don't, please feel free to email me. I'm not getting a lot of emails from this class and I'm hoping to get a little bit more from everyone because I need the feedback to say, hey, is things not working or are things working? Because right now I'm under the assumption that for the most part, everyone is able to access the materials. Okay, so today, if you notice what I've done to my Schoology page, if you look at the top 3 folders, those will be the most important folders that you will be dealing with every single day. So the red one tells you that that's going to be where the materials are for the day. The purple one is your daily greetings, where you'll see videos like this one from past days. So if you click on here, you can see all of the daily greetings from past days. So if you never need to access past materials, you can always check these videos out first without actually having to email me and asking me what's going on, because you can just look at the video needed and it'll explain to you what you're going to be doing for that day. Okay, so anyway, so that's going to be the daily greetings. So this is the daily greetings, this is the quadratics folder, and this is the discussion boards to kind of help you out with asking questions, or if I have questions for you, you can answer them there as well. So for today, what we're going to be doing is this quadratics folder, and we're going to still be doing this graphing quadratics material. And today we're going to be doing this April 27th. And all I have for you doing today is just doing this, watch this 4-minute video. Because what I also want you to do, and I didn't get a lot of feedback, get a lot of responses from people, I only got one, about this Mario Party activity here. And I have a link to that in this page. So I'll link it to the Mario Party activity, and that takes you to this folder. And all I need you to do is these first 2 things. These first 2 things. Okay, so one of which is this graphing quadratics Mario Party presentation. And really, this isn't really as important as the Google form, because this only asks you to fill out this page here. But it does give you the answer key here. So if you ever want to check out the answers, you can. Now, that is something that I've seen universally what's been happening. I don't know if people are actually doing this, but a lot of people, and I need to see this better at, is a lot of people aren't showing their work. I need to see the reasoning behind it. People are only putting the answers, and I can't tell if you guys are only just looking at the answer key and then putting the answers there and calling it good. Because if you have questions or misconceptions and we have a quiz and you don't know how to do it, that's going to be affecting your grade at that point. So please feel free to email me. I'm always willing to answer emails, okay? But for this activity, all I am asking you to do is look at this presentation, and also the more important thing is this Google form. So click up here if you need to. If something doesn't pop up, always click up on here in this blue words, and this will take you right straight to it. So here, if you look at it, again, it says I have 2 responses, but Mr. McKee took one of the responses, so I only have 1 response here. But really here, all I'm asking you to do, put your name here, select your character, then answer some of these quadratic questions. What is the vertex of this quadratic? What is the equation of the axis of symmetry? Okay, you should be able to know that based off of some of the videos from last time and today. What is the vertex? Is the vertex a maximum or a minimum? Okay, things like that. What is the standard form of the quadratic equation? You should know that. What is the axis of symmetry? Based off this, and if you need help, always go back to and refer to your previous question. Question 2 to ask you what's the equation of the axis of symmetry. Things like that, okay? So you won't be able to progress through this until you get the correct answer for all of these. However, once you get this done, all I'm asking you to do after that, all I'm asking you to do after, oops, clicked on the wrong thing, after you fill out that form, is to, graphing quadratics, is to work on this homework assignment. So this homework assignment is only a few pages, and I have to fix it so that you can be able to open this with Cami. So if it's still not fixed by tomorrow, please email me. Okay. But all I'm asking you to do is graph these on the graph. Now, again, don't just look down here and look at the answer key, because I need to see some work. You can't just straight up look at y is equal to 3x squared and know what it looks like on the graph. Okay, I don't know what y is equal to negative 1/2 x squared looks like on the graph without showing some work, doing some work, similarly with all of these. Okay. Really what I want you to do is look at all of these, but you can really skip questions 7 and 8, because 7 and 8 is in what we call vertex form. If you want to do it and take some time to it, what you would need to do is take x minus 3 and square it. So do x minus 3 times x minus 3, multiply it out, add 1 to it, and then see what happens to that graph. Okay? So all I want you to do today, if you are the one person, if you're the one person that did that activity, today is pretty simple for you. Watch this video, 4-minute video, do this homework assignment. But if you did not do the activity from last time, watch this video, do that Mario Party activity, and spend some time on the homework. If you have any questions about how to do any of this, please feel free to email me. Again, I typically try to email me as soon as I possibly can. It's important because I'm like I said, when I don't get feedback, I just assume everyone's getting it. So to me, it's important that you guys do this, and let me know if you have any questions through email. And have a good rest of your day. Try to just get out there. Don't stress too much about this, but like I said, I am needing to see a little bit more work, a little bit more questions come in, or else I'm assuming you're getting this. Pretty soon, you guys are going to be getting marked off if you don't show your work, because again, I don't know if you're just looking up the answers or looking up the answer key, things like that. Okay, but please feel free, like I said, email me, use the Google discussion boards, and please have a good day. Spend some time outside, spend some time with your family, and yeah, thanks.